Hi, my name is Jordan, and this is MongoAI. MongoAI is a backend as a service solution that assists game developers with the implementation of genetic algorithms. So, genetic algorithms are a extremely useful way to optimize parameters for your AI for your games. Now, the issue with this is that a lot of genetic algorithms will take a very large amount of data, and it will require a long time and a lot of generations before they have actively been tuned and can pose a challenge to players. So, MongoAI is a backend as a service that assists with this problem. What it does is rather than each player having their own instance of a genetic algorithm running in their game, this uses the power of MongoDB and MongoStitch to aggregate all data throughout the entire world, throughout every single player who's playing this game into one central server. And then from there, you can then pick only the best uh, parameters to create the new objects from. So effectively, what you're doing here is rather than just running it once, you are able now to get through a lot of generations a lot faster than you were ever before, which it enables the AI to optimize itself very fast. And so let's jump into an example. So I'm going to show you a simple demo game uh, that is supposed to show how this process of evolution with the algorithm works. So what's going to happen is there's a box that's trying to evolve its color to be any user-defined color, in this instance, pink. And you have three genetic properties, red, green, and blue. These are all defined by a user in the engine. And so each time, each generation, it is going to set its colors and then determine a heuristic for how close it is, and then send that data to the server, and then rerun that genetic algorithm and continuously update and evolve over time. And you can see how that works out. So right now I'm just going to run it with one instance. Each generation is 0.15 seconds, and you can see it changing and evolving, slowly getting closer to the desired pink color. So here it is. Now, look at how fast it goes when you use two of them at the same time. Now, these are two separate instances to demo what it's like if two players are playing this game concurrently. If you see, once the second player gets in, the colors end up going much faster. And you can even try that with more. You could try it with 4 if you so want. And once all of them are in, it will be very quick. And so you can see, think of how well this will scale. Once you have hundreds or thousands of players playing your game, you saw the increase in time it took when you had 1 as compared to 4. Each time you get exponentially quicker. And so what the goal is of using this backend as a service is over time your genetic algorithms will be able to evolve quick enough so that they can easily be able to pose a challenge to players and never fall behind them. So now I'm going to show you how to put this in your project. The installation of MongoAI once you've downloaded it is an extremely simple process. All you need to do is go into the Unity engine, Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, and wherever the path of wherever you download it to, you're going to double click, choose Open, you're going to import everything, and you just need to wait for it to load, and there, it's all in. Now, there's one other thing you need to do. If you go into Unity, go to Unity, Project Settings, Player, and you need to make sure to change your API compatibility level and your scripting runtime version. You need to change your scripting runtime version to .NET 4.6 equivalent. Now, that's going to restart your editor. So we don't need to go through that now, but change that. And then as soon as the editor restarts, make sure to come back here again, find API compatibility level. You should now have an option below here for a .NET 4.0, and you're going to switch to that. Once you've switched to your .NET scripting runtime version and your API compatibility level, everything should be working. Once you've installed the MongoAI package in the engine, it should be quick and easy to get up and running with. There's a demo project in demo.cs that you can look through to see how to get started with this. There's also a comprehensive documentation online that you can read through. For any other questions, feel free to leave a comment on the dev post and I can help you sort through any other issues. Now, this is an extremely useful and extremely simple tool to use. I hope you get a lot of use out of it, and I hope it makes writing games a lot more fun for you. Thanks.